Subscribe to Clinical Guruji's channel and press on the bell icon to never miss the latest video. Hello friends, you are watching Clinical Guruji. In this video, I will tell you about Benadryl cough formula syrup. Before get started, I want to tell, please subscribe to my channel. I will make this type of video in future also. Let's get started. At first, I will tell you what is Benadryl. Benadryl or diphenhydramine is an antihistamine that reduces the effects of natural chemical histamine in the body. Histamine can produce symptoms of sneezing, itching, watery eyes, and runny nose. Benadryl is used to treat sneezing, runny nose, watery eyes, hives, skin rash, itching, and other cold or allergy symptoms. Benadryl is also used to treat motion sickness, to induce sleep, and to treat certain symptoms of Parkinson's disease. Now comes to how they are act, that means mechanism of action. Diphenhydramine is antihistamine or ACE1 blockers. They antagonize the effects of histamine by competitively blocking the ACE1 receptor by competitive antagonism. One thing you should have to remember, you cannot use Benadryl if you are allergic to it. Now comes to Benadryl side effects. Get emergency medical help if you have signs of an allergic reaction to Benadryl, hives, difficult breathing, swelling of your face, lips, tongue or throat. Stop using Benadryl if you have pounding heartbeats or fluttering in your chest, painful or difficult urination, little or no urinating, confusion, feeling like you might pass out, or tightness in your neck or jaw, uncontrollable movements of your tongue. The common Benadryl side effects may include dizziness, drowsiness, loss of coordination, dry mouth, nose or throat, constipation, upset stomach, dry eyes, blurred vision or daytime drowsiness or hangover feeling after night times. I hope this video will help you friends, so don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.